Hey, what's up? It's Friday morning, and we've been trading for the last hour and a half or so. Um, Kind of getting whipped around. Had about four trades, and now finally we're seeing a little bit of profit, and I'm just gonna sit tight and call it. I may even call it a day, but just wanted to show you things. Okay, first, this market profile chart. Look at today's distribution. I mean, we haven't broken out of the value area high, value area low from yesterday. And also, what I want to point out is if you look at yesterday's distribution, opened up real high, came down, and you've got this basically this bump right here, and you see how it's just trying to fill in the other half of that bump here. So if you sort of merged, let's see if I can do this actually. If we merge. If we merge the two together, you start to get a more normal looking distribution right here. And it looks like now it's starting to look more like a normal distribution without the bottom, right? So again, I'm still looking for room to the downside because I've got at that point of control that's untested here at 298, and if this distribution, which is yesterday and today's combined, you get this weird. Looks like you got small end over here, you got end here. It should be a small end on the other side, right? If it's distributing itself normally, not that every time, not that the market is really a normal distribution kind of thing, but in the sense of just looking at profile, that's what we're looking for. So you want to kind of bump out and then come down again, and so we look at that, and I think it will do that. It'll come down and it'll bump, and it'll a thin second mode over this, at least get control before to do something. So that's that, and also just an intraday chart here. Let's look at this one. You can see if you look at my regression channel that we're moving out of it now, but for the last 20 minutes, almost half an hour, we've been sitting right here at the middle of this channel. And again, how I make these channels. This channel is based basically on the last three swings. So you'd have this swing down, this swing up, and this swing down. And from this channel, and I can move it back again too. I can even move it back, two more swings to this level where you see it more flattened out, so the slope is closer to zero. And you see we're banging into the high value area here. What does that mean? It just means it's a bit choppy. That's what it means. So right now the skew is slightly up. So, but generally, not much has gone on on the time frame. If you look at the bigger picture, then say like that tick chart. If you look at this market profile chart, there's a little bit of a bigger picture, more of a day profile. You see that. Look at this. Today profile just hasn't done anything, and look how all the value is, and it's just banging up at the top and the bottom. So nothing really to do here, and now it's starting to get lower on the volume is starting to get lower. See down here? See this is kind of rolling off. So I had a few trades, and I'm doing all right for the morning. I was able to protect myself. I got stopped out on half the trades, but I was able to protect myself, and so everything's all right for now. And I'm just going to step aside and probably come back in the afternoon, and I'll try to make another video then. All right.